Girl, y'all big my head up so much when I was upstairs. If I look this good at 49, girl, could you imagine 50 with all of this naturalization in the body? Stay tuned. I have this product that I used and I want to put you onto it. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you bad boy work. In 10 days, I lost over 12 pounds. Let's go. Hey guys! So, I was just upstairs with you guys. And as you know, today is my birthday. Okay, I claimed the whole month. But on a serious note, right? You guys, you bigged my head up so much when I was upstairs doing the photo shoot for you. Well, it wasn't really a photo shoot. It was me just trying on clothes, right? And yes, I put the shades on. Yes, at night. I just wanted to just complete the look, but I did change my earrings. So you guys kind of bigged my head up of how my physique was and you know how the clothes flatter me. So you know we all gain a few quarantine pounds. And I don't know about y'all, but for me, the holidays passed and I ate everything. And then I said to myself, girl, your birthday coming. It might be a chance this, you know, this quarantine stuff might be a little bit over that you could go somewhere. So I was thinking beach because every year my husband, he takes me to a different country for my birthday. But, you know, I'm still thinking fabulosity, nice body. Where you going, girl? Nowhere. I started to use this product. I didn't do this here all by myself, and I haven't always been like this. My daughter, a few months ago, a matter of fact, this summer she sent it to me. But I got so busy with the busyerization of everything else that I do, so I paid it no mind. So the product is from TLC, and it's three different product. So, and it's from the same company. So this is the tea, and you mix this by the gallon. So this works like, you know, when you going to get like a colon cleanse. How do they call it? Not a colon cleanse. When you go to do a colonoscopy and they give you that gallon of stuff to drink. This is what this tea here is. You mix it by the gallon. This one pouch right here, you mix by the gallon and you drink it throughout the day. Okay? You drink it throughout the day and that will help you to flush. If you guys want more info on it, like I'm gonna leave it in the description box. But you this help you flush. And guys, I kid you not, with this whole system that I use, I was able to lose, well, at the time it was 8 pounds, but it's more than 10 pounds I have lost in about 10 days. Yeah, about 10 days. So let me get the product together and show it to you. So guys, I'm back. So this is the product right here that I've been using, and it's from TLC. It also comes with vitamin, and this is liquid vitamins. And as you know, the pill form vitamins rarely stick to your body, but anything that has liquid, it really helps, you know, to absorb in the bloodstream, and that's what you need it for. And this also has you know, because this is going to make the tea is going to make you go to the bathroom. See what it said? Lose 5 pounds in 5 days. And I lost more than, well, in 2 weeks I've lost more than the 5 pounds. I lost more, like, I'll say about 10 or 12 pounds. So, like I said, this is the vitamins right here. And this is also, you know, like when the best way I could describe it is like when you have a young baby and they go into the bathroom a lot, you give them Pedialyte to put back the electrodes that they take out of your body. This also have this in it. Yes, it's act just like it. And this tastes good. I have the lemon flavor. Then I also have this Insta Tea that I've been using. So guys, if you actually, my daughter is the one that bought this for me, and this I have a 30-day supply, and she is also a consultant for the company. So guys, if you want this, because you know y'all give me all of this compliment and big my head up, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put a link in the in my description box and let you guys. I also going to put some information in there that you could go ahead and read it, and you could order this. Like I said, put a link. You're going to get, as a first time buyer, you're going to get 10% off. Girl, you guys see this outfit again. Plus, come back and I purchased you remember the little cheapy clothes that I told you I bought, but it's good clothes. They're from Express and different notable company, and I have quite a bit of, I'm going to show you again the pieces that I try on, because this is like, you know, a different area that I'm in my bathroom. I was saying before I take all of this off, I might as well, you know, let you guys know, because you give me a nice compliment on how she looks. She, her, me. Yes. So let me push this chair here back and let me show you what this product did for me in 10 days. Look. And girl, this is 49 years old. Yes. So look at this. Get me a nice flush, flat tummy. And I was able to wear my outfit for my birthday, even though I wasn't able to go to the islands and get all skinnified, but I'm well on my way. And, you know, to start this year off, to, you know, because summer is well on its way, even though we got to wear masks and all of that stuff, but you could have a snatch body, because look at this here. In 2 weeks, and this here is the size. Let me see if I can bring it in. This is a medium. 1 second. Oh, I can't show it to you, but this is the medium. And girl, I got room in the waist. Look at this. I could snatch all of this. Yes. I feel myself. I feel it myself. Yes. So if you guys want to lose all of this and have a nice little snatcherization for the summer coming up, try this, because that's what I used, and I was able to shed a few. And if I could do it, I know you could do it too. See, now the true color of the hat is showing. So if you guys need more info, or you want me to show you how I put the tea together and all of that, let me know, and I'll come back and do a video so you could have the snatcherization too. Bloop, 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 bloop. y'all big my head up, it's y'all fault. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. And if you want to use this product here so you could have the snatcherization. And guys, let me show you this here. No illusion. Oh, why am I zipping down? Let me show you. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm not wearing any Spanx or anything up in here. See? No Spanx. So the product worked. And I'm proof that it worked. So guys, I'm gonna say bye for now. And again, share my videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.